Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at another variation of palatal warbling. This one sounds kind of like this. So you can do this one with the lips and the teeth. It works both ways, so you can do the bottom lip against the upper teeth and the other way around. So both ways tend to work. This one's kind of easy to learn, in my opinion, as long as you know the other style with only the lips, because this one is actually exactly the same. It's just the kind of well, the idea is the same, the execution is a bit different. If you want to take this to a high level, of course it requires a bit of work if you want to get the pitches reliable and as clear as possible. Mine aren't quite there yet, but it kind of works, so I decided to make a tutorial anyway, because this is a kind of an easy variation. Tends to go well with whistling like seasonal songs, especially if your crowd has a lot of kids, or if the atmosphere of the performance is okay with it. I wouldn't use this style at a funeral, maybe. You can add a lot of expression when compared to, like, say, only using the pucker style. You can go learn all these weird faces and have a lot of fun yourself, or entertain a couple other people. It's a win for everybody. To learn this style, we're gonna start with the palatal whistle. So we go and then lift the bottom lip against the top teeth for the sake of an example. You can also go the other way, but I'm much more proficient with this style. So probably you get only like windy sounds, so we're gonna do a couple things here. So we get the wind, and then move the jaw forward and back. And move the lip up and down the teeth. And sideways too. So you can hear at this position, I tend to get a somewhat okay whistle. It's kind of windy, but I should work on that. So let me go into that position and then try the other side. You should follow along, by the way. So there's a bunch of positions where the whistle seems to work. Let's see if I can do both at the same time. So you can hear, even if I block the airway, the sound is still there. So that should mean air is coming out both sides at the same time. So for the other style, it's basically the same thing. Shouldn't cause you that much trouble. When compared to the lip style, the lip warble, some of the pitches for me specifically are easier with this. They tend to get a slightly louder sound, but not all of them. I think at least for me the higher ones are easier with the lip style, and some of the lower ones maybe, and some of the middle ones with this tooth style. Let's see if I had anything more to say. I think I'm gonna keep this video short, so if you have any questions, once again, please leave them in the comments. I'll get back to you if I have the time, and have fun practicing, guys. Bye bye.